Nice. 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 I seen him come up like that, baby. Whoo.
What's good, all my high fishermen? It's your boy, the High Fisherman, and today we out here in the Guadalupe River in San Jose, California. You know, we just out here early in the morning. It's approximately 6:26 a.m. I wanted to be here a little bit earlier, but it is what it is. It is what it is. We out here, you know. Let's throw some artificial lures. Hopefully we get lucky, you feel me? Like I said though, 6:27. We're at Bodega. I'm not sponsored. You guys already know I got the laser pointer charging. If you know, you know. But yeah, guys, we out here. Let's get it.
My high fisherman, this is the setup I'm using. Nice. I'm not gonna say it's light because this is my light one, ultra light. But this is my medium light, I believe. So that's what it's called. With the little crawfish, you feel me? Four pound line. The fish are really finicky out here, you know. I got 2 poles and I got the little you feel me? Cause we about to go down here with the tweakers, bro. You never know what they be on, you feel me? Let's get it. So we're here at the location. Get it going, baby. First cast, you see how it goes. Just make sure we all set up. I don't want to get too close here, you feel me? See how it goes. What the fuck? Helicopters. Hella crazy, bro. Oh yeah, for sure. I appreciate it. All my Bay Area fishing people, you know, this is a beautiful sight. They're doing something, you know. They're cleaning up over here. It's dope. Feels comfortable, you know, to come fishing again, you know. Damn, this is dope. They say they're gonna start cleaning up every location around here now, bro. Hell yeah. Alright guys, good thing I have my meta glasses on today, and hopefully I don't bust my ass today either. Woo-wee. Anyway, y'all, ooh, almost busting my ass. Ooh, I'm taking a bath. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Whipping it up Gary's way. Oh. Minus 2% health on the ankle. Nice. Duck. Vámonos. Let me. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Ready? Run up the hill. Crash. Whoa. I'm scared. No. Holy shit. That barrier. No. Swerving. No. Snake. No. No snakes. Yes. No. Ah. Fuck. Ah, fuck. Don't you guys just love these chemical trails that just clearly lead for us? Anyways, first cast with this crankbait. Yay! Let's go!
What I heard about this spot right here. It's full of lubers. Hey, man. There's a little cast right here. We'll get her right here. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Oh, it was messed up. That's why we didn't get hit. Presentation was wrong and horrible.
Alright, my hot fisherman. I've been throwing my crankbait for like 20 minutes. No bites. Senko for the win? Let's find out. Anyways, cheers, y'all. Nice, nice, nice. I seen him come up for it. Nice. I got that on cam. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First dink of the day. Sheesh. Yes, sir. A little decent one. Nice.